I don't give a about what is the course. I don't give about what is worth of course. To be very frankly, I'm saying you.
You have never seen anyone doing this before. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a new video. I want to ask you a question. What comes to your mind when you hear of the get rich quick schemes? Is that an MLM guy offering you his life-changing business opportunity? Or a fake guru aka internet influencer selling you his overpriced course on how to be a millionaire like him? Whatever it is, let me introduce you to something beyond this. It is called LeadShark, an interesting platform, of course, which has multiple get-rich-quick schemes all combined. Now before I tell you how does it work, why not meet the person behind this genius-looking idea and listen what he says about it.
Do you want to make money online? Do you want to start your own online business from home? Do you want to start a business for your additional income source? If yes, then this video is for you. Let me introduce myself first. As I said, my name is Ayaz Muhammad and I'm a specialist in organic lead generation, and I'm an affiliate marketing coach, and I have trained more than 12,000 people in last 3.5 years how to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing business and make money online.
It's kind of building the momentum of faith, Just imagine, I'm selling you a course and adding, hey, you know what? I have 69,000 students all over the planet. I'm quite sure you're not gonna ask me, hey Anubhav, who's those 69,000 people are? But what you're actually gonna do is to place me on the next level of faith and stick to me for the rest. But before you twist and turn my words, I would like to quote this. I'm not saying he doesn't have that much pupil. You could have it, after all, it's online. What I did, I just pointed out a little marketing strategy behind it. This could be clever, but what he did next is not. At the beginning part, in a short span of time, he made a self-contradiction. He starts with,
work for just 2 to 3 hours a day. Just find 2 to 3 hours. Anybody can find 2 to 3 hours. Very simple, right? Very easy to find, right? Work from anywhere. Work at any time. No technical skills required. Work from mobile or laptop. And of course, as I told you, you have huge earning potential here.
What he also says,
because a lot of scam happens online. So you need to be careful. You should not get attracted to the quick money-making system. You should be ready to work hard. Don't get attracted to what is a quick money system kind of like quick rich program or something like that. Don't get attracted to easy money.
Let's put the light on the main part of this video, what LeadShark is offering you and what is so exciting about this. LeadShark, a product which includes a course. The course is on how to resell the course. Yeah, you heard me right. More sales equals more commission, and this is what he says, an action-based selling program.
So LeadShark is not just another course, but it's a complete action-based. It's a practical course, action-based. It's not theoretical, okay? So action-based, every session, every video, take some action. So action by action, action by action, you learn. It's a complete practical course which you learn not to just to generate, but to attract. Means you don't have to chase the leads. The leads will chase you. The leads will search for you, find you, and tell you that, hey, I want to do business with you. That way you can generate leads. No paid ads. You don't have to spend any penny on paid ads. No solo ads, no chatbots, no website, no banner display, no SEO. You will learn a social media strategy, the best social media strategy, optimizing social media profile, how to optimize your Facebook and other social media profile, content for social media posts, target audience.
You could have directly said that you only need SMO, social media optimization, rather than saying you don't need these and that. Alright, I got it, strategy. But there is a little contradiction too. He said about targeting audience on the YouTube, but I'm not sure how you can do it without having a good SEO score. Maybe I'm wrong, but if you know about this, then comment below.
Now see, all these things which I'm telling you, you are going to learn for any product, okay? Attraction marketing, how to convert your Facebook profile into lead magnet.
Here we go, attraction marketing. Now if you don't know about this, it's basically when you see the MLM guy talking about booking his BMW from the past 3 years. Yeah, that is attraction marketing, mostly used by the network marketers for recruitments. I think you already got the direction it is going in. The people you'll be selling your course are your leads, and when the leads make their sales, you'll get a passive commission. With that being said, this is absolutely 100% a modified pyramid scheme. The most shining part comes in when he starts talking about the bonuses.
3 video courses I told you, 5 ebook courses, total 8 bonuses worth $1,200, approximately around $1,200 worth bonuses you are getting along with LeadShark.
Wow, kinda shiny, huh? But I'm not gonna let it go without telling you what's so downright ugly in this. The first thing, why adding chatbots and SEO when these two things have nothing to do with the business opportunity, according to the owner? If I consider all of this about learning, then why did you start with placing a huge earning potential scheme, which basically caught my attention? YouTube channel SEO is a course here. Are you kidding me? I guess you didn't hear about the TubeBuddy extension. You can get it all for free. Number 3. Now, this is the most hilarious part. A course on how to start your YouTube channel. No. This is not coming from PewDiePie or Mr. Beast or Dude Perfect. Go for Paddy Galway for some serious hacks. The last thing I would like to ask regarding this, who wrote these books? And most importantly, who set the price of the bonus courses? Don't tell me it's Mr. Ayaz with his 3 years of long experience. Man, that's insane. You can literally get every single thing he mentioned on the internet for free. And the certified courses are on Udemy, Coursera at a reasonable price. Now, here comes the most awaited part, the price of the course. How much you have to pay for it?
What should be the right price? What do you think? You tell me. What do you think should be the right price? Tell me what should be the price for the course which can help you to earn $500, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, or even $10,000 monthly. So these kind of course which teaches you to earn money directly normally gets sold in $500 in the market.
But Ayaz, I wonder if there is any legit course in the market which offer bonuses double in price of the actual course. But there is a twist, Mr. Ayaz is giving everything for $100. Because $500 would be expensive for Indians spending on his BS course. There is another twist.
So we decided to keep the offer price only for the limited period of time. $55 only. Indian rupees 4,000 rupees only.
The heights of scarcity marketing. At this point, the price of the main part of the course is unknown because we only know about the bonuses, right? So there should be two things, the main course plus additional bonuses. This X could be anything, but for now, let's assume the least it could possibly be, which is $100. So the total price comes out as $1,292, but Mr. Ayaz is only charging $55 US, which is almost 96% discount. Now, use your brain. How could someone give 96% discount over something which actually worth that much money? On the top of that, the person you're getting the course from will get 70% commission and the upper line would get 10%. So the actual price comes out as $11, including all the profit. To be honest, what it seems to me is that the main part of the course may contain some knowledge about generating sales with the help of SMO as mentioned, which could again be some arranged information available on the internet for free. The problem is with the way it is marketed, because as we know, the business lies somewhere else, which is taking the course, naming it with affiliate marketing and then putting it in a MLM scheme. Exactly, that is what's happening here, and there is no point of focusing on the knowledge when the main goal is recruiting people. Even if you don't believe me, listen what this guy says who comes from the top 1% testimony of Mr. Ayaz.
Very honestly, I didn't check whether it was worthy or not. It was completely simple for me. If you do affiliate for LeadsHub, you can make money. That's it.
Yeah. So
I don't give a shit about what is the course.
okay.
I don't give a shit about what is worth of course. To be very frankly, I'm saying you.
Okay,
If
so
you want to make money, you can just
you have to sell the courses.
Yeah, you just sell it. I'm a
The
salesperson,
course
dude.
tells you how to sell it.
Yeah, I'm a salesperson, dude.
People, they're about to have the same thing and they're going to do the same thing, which is resell the course. So basically, it's a modified pyramid scheme. How it seems is that.
No, it's not like that. But okay, what's wrong in that? One thing, very first, I just want to clear it out. It's not a pyramid. And second thing is that what's wrong in that? If you are providing to the people what they want, it's a good thing, right?
It's not happening that giving people what they want. I'm not selling a product. I'm just promising money to other people. And when it's happening like that, the tier 2 system, selling course commission and passive commission, which is 70 and 10% respectively, it just breaks the law of supply and demand. So
No, it's yeah. Okay, it's your perspective how you are taking it. But one thing is that, and usually why we are giving this business opportunity also to the people. People will buy courses. The product will be on multi-level marketing scheme. Are you trying to say that?
Yeah, I'm just saying maybe you're providing a knowledge about affiliate marketing. The way it is marketed to the people, it's kind of seem like putting it on an MLM scheme.
You can say that, but the only one question is mine to you. What is wrong in that?
And as you already know, on a pyramid scheme, 99% of people are gonna lose their money rather than making it, because it doesn't follow the rule of supply and demand. But one thing I like about them is that they're so gentle. They don't lie after getting caught, and they proudly say, yes, we are doing this. These guys spamming on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or whatever the place they are in, they're not the real affiliate marketers. They're actually following the quote-unquote exact way of making money through LeadsArc, which is by adding people on LeadsArc. And yeah, you can make profit, you can come from the less than 1% of this company. But I request you to sit down for 20 minutes and ask yourself what exactly you're doing. Maybe then you'll find out that you're actually crowdfunding a bullshit, which doesn't worth that much money and which doesn't even make sense. And maybe then you'll come on the right track. So all the best to you. I couldn't end this video without some personal addition, which are the affiliate marketing program is an easy concept. You have Amazon, eBay, Flipkart. You can sign up to their free affiliate program, and if somebody buys something from your link, then you'll get a commission of maximum 5%. So forget about that 70-80% commission. It's not happening, and it's not as easy as it sounds. The barriers for entering is negligible. Anybody could do this. So the competition is super tough. It has to be. You may have seen some celebrities or YouTubers promoting something and then providing links on the description. That is affiliate marketing. So basically you need to have a good audience base for making some noticeable amount of profit. And nobody is like affiliate marketers at the first place. They're content creators first and then anything else. The second thing, with the $11 profit and training over 10,000 plus students, the owner himself haven't touched the $1 million level at that point, not even half. So how could he promise a success mantra of earning endless money? I don't know. And even if he did, the production quality is super low for a guy who's making insane amount of money. And the third thing, the comment section is turned off, which is a huge red flag. And that's it for now. A big thanks to every one of you watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like. Have any opinions, comment below, and share this video and spread awareness. Check out my other contents, and if it seems something you'd be interested in, make sure to subscribe my channel. That's the support I need, and become a part of this family. Thank you so much again. I'll be back with another video soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, and beside that, stay tuned.